What if I told you that just two natural ingredients sitting in your kitchen could help make your hair look thicker, fuller, stronger, and healthier? I am talking about hair that feels life again, hair that break less, shed less, and looks so full that people keep asking, what are you using? The shocking part is one of those ingredients is commonly used as a spice, yet many people do not realize it contains compound that may help stimulate the scalp. If you have been struggling with slow growing hair, thinning edges, excessive shedding, or receded hairline, stay with me because I will show you exactly how I make it and how to use this powerful daily hair treatment. And do not skip the last step because that is where most people unknowing reducing their results. Now let's get started. Healthy hair started with a healthy scalp. When the scalp is clean, nourished, and well cared of, hair is more likely to grow without excessive breakage. Today's recipe combines two amazing plant ingredients that are rich in beneficial compounds known to supporting healthy looking hair. So now, our first ingredient is black pepper. Black pepper is much more than a cooking spice. Black pepper is known for its natural scalp stimulation properties, which may help create a healthy environment for stronger, fuller looking hair. When used correctly, black pepper may help support a healthy scalp environment, refresh the scalp, help reduce buildup, improve the appearance of thinning looking hair, make the hair appear fuller over time, support stronger looking roots, help maintain healthy hair density. Many people overlook black pepper, yet it has become very popular in natural hair care because of its stimulating property. But remember, black pepper is potent, so we already need a small amount of it. I am using just 1 tablespoon of my black pepper. If you have black pepper powder, you can also use it. So I just bring my clean jar to transfer my black pepper inside the jar. Then I will keep it aside, then move to the next ingredient. Now let's add one of my favorite hair herbs, hibiscus. Hibiscus have been used traditional for generations in hair care. It contains antioxidants, natural plant acid, and nutrients that help care for both the scalp and the hair strands. People love hibiscus because of its help reduce hair breakage, improve softness, increase shine, support thicker looking hair, strengthen weak strands, improve hair elasticity, keep the scalp healthy, help your hair feel smoother and more manageable, and also make your hair dark over time. So when combined with black pepper, hibiscus help balance the recipe while nourishing the hair from root to the tip. For the hibiscus, I use up to 4 to 5 pieces of my hibiscus. So the next thing is to pour it inside the clean jar that contains the first ingredient. So after that, I bring my hot water and pour the hot water inside the jar. Cover it up, allow it to infuse for 12 hours. Please do not boil this ingredient. Please do infuse method for better results, okay? So after infusing it for 12 hours, then this is what I have so far. I just bring my shifter and a bowl to collect my powerful spray. What you are looking for is the tea spray. It's not the ingredient because the ingredients have released their nutrients inside the water, making that water the solution we have been looking for, making that water very powerful, very potent, very nourished, and very, very effective. So after pouring the water out, saying this is the amount of water I got so far. So the next thing now is to transfer it inside my spray bottle for easy application. Guys, this recipe is a game changer. If you use it the right way, and you never regret it. You don't need to worry about any horrible smell because this do not smell any bad at all, okay? Now, this part is very, very important to know the proper way to use it to achieve crazy hair growth, stop shedding, breakage, and achieve incredible hair shine. Please pay close attention to learn how to use daily hair growth treatment for effective way to solve your hair problem, thicken up your hair, and regrow your edges, stop shedding, breakage, and have that thicker, fuller hair you have been craving for. Because if you know how to use the treatment, only the treatment will help you to achieve your hair goals. Guys, I'm not even capping. Just listen carefully and do exactly what I will say in this video for better results, okay? So now, to apply this recipe on your hair, the first thing you must do is to make sure your scalp is super clean. Yes, this recipe is not a recipe you apply on a dirty hair and you expect the result to happen. This recipe demands a clean scalp and also a clean strand of hair, so that you can achieve all the good benefits with this recipe, okay? So after your scalp and your hair strands are clean, then the next thing you do before you apply this powerful daily hair growth treatment is to work in session. Please do not skip working in session. It's very important. If your hair is out, you can session your hair up to 6 sessions, okay? But if your hair is on a protective hairstyle like mini braid or mini twins, also work in session, maybe 4 sessions or 2 sessions. So for me, I am working in 2 sessions. So after working in session, the next thing now is to spray this directly on your scalp first, because this daily hair growth spray can help to wake up your dead follicles by activating them, so that you can see faster growth and faster results with it, okay? And also applying it directly on your scalp, it can also help to stop that shedding, promote faster hair growth, and also kill dandruff. If you are dealing with dandruff or itchiness, this can also solve it, because of the black pepper on it can help to kill dandruff and itching scalp. So after applying it to the scalp, focusing on your scalp, massage it gently, okay? Then you can work your way through to the strands of your hair. This recipe is also very important on your hair strands, because using it on your hair strands, it will help to moisturize your hair strands, leave your hair strands more fuller, more thicker, and also help you to reduce breakage, okay? So this daily hair growth spray is important on your scalp and also on your hair strands. So this is exactly how you use it to get better results. And after doing this in each session, repeat the same thing on the entire of your hair. Then you move to the next step. The next step is very important. Seal in the moisture. Do not apply this daily hair growth treatment and you skip sealing in the moisture. Is a whole disaster. So make sure you use your leave-in conditioner, your butter, then use the oil on your scalp to seal in the moisture. Is very important, okay? So just use your leave-in conditioner and your butter on your hair strands, then use the oil to oil your scalp and massage it. Scalp massage is very important, okay? It helps a lot. It helps to stimulate blood flow to your scalp, increasing thickness on your hair, and get faster results with this recipe. Do not skip scalp massage. Don't just apply the oil on your scalp without you massage it in. At least massage your scalp for 5 to 7 minutes. If you can go on by 10 minutes, good for you, but at least 5 to 7 minutes is very okay. Then after massaging your scalp and sealing in the moisture, then the next thing now is to allow your hair to air dry. But if you have steamy cap, then go ahead and use your steamy cap to cover up your hair for 10 to 15 minutes, okay? After heating up for 10 to 15 minutes, then allow your hair to air dry. This is how you do this consistently, okay? Repeatably. Use it daily or any other days, okay? But remember, consistent is the key. If you can do this consistently, you see how your hair will become thicker, fuller, longer, less shedding and less breakage. But please, I would advise you to put your hair on a protective hairstyle before you start using the treatment. Secondly, I would advise you to take a picture on how your hair is before you start this journey, okay? Because after the journey, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks of the journey, you will definitely see little change on your hair, both in thickness, in shedding, in breakage, in regrowing of your edges and in all figure of your hair. So if your problem is to regrow your edges, please focus this treatment also on that area. Apply it in that area, massage it gently, then use your oil to seal in the moisture. Repeat this consistently every day. If you don't want to use it all the entire of your hair every day, please, in those your problem area, use it every day and you see what will happen in a space of 1 week to 2 weeks. I'm not even joking. This work like magic. It will help you a whole lot to regrow those your problem areas, help you to see visible results in no time. I'm not even capping, okay? Now, these are the biggest mistake many people make. Mistake number 1 is many people applying natural treatment once or twice and expecting dramatic change. Healthy hair take time. Another common mistake is ignoring the scalp. Hair grows from the scalp, not the ends. Keep your scalp clean, moisturized, and avoid excessive tension from tight hairstyles. Please, if you can follow these rules and stop this mistake, you see the dramatic change on your hair. It will help you a whole lot, okay? Now, listen carefully. I have bonus tips for you. If you want healthy looking hair, eat protein-rich food, drink enough water, sleep well, protect your hair at night with satin bonnet or satin pillowcase. Avoid excessive hair styling. Trim damaged ends when necessary. Those simple habits can make a huge difference over time. Now, I want you to know one thing. Taking care of your hair is not that difficult. Just to know the right thing to do and avoid things that will damage your goal, okay? So you may do some little mistake that may ruin your result, causing you not to see that result on your hair. And you may think that the product you are using is not working. They are working, just that those silly mistakes you are doing. So I would advise you to check yourself. Check what you are doing wrong and what you are doing right, okay? Do minus and do plus so that you can achieve your hair goals. Hair definitely grow. Natural products are game changer. They have helped thousands, millions, and billions of people to achieve their hair goals without them breaking the bank. So support that a lot of people are achieving their hair goals with common natural remedies. You can also achieve that, okay? Just do the right thing and be patient and be consistent with them. You see the magic start happening, okay? So guys, we are going to end up today's recipe. If you enjoyed today's recipe, do not forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, subscribe and join our natural hair growth family, okay? And share this video to your family and friends. Tell me in the comment section below, have you ever tried black pepper or hibiscus on your hair before? Or which natural ingredient has give you the best results? Let me know in comment section below, okay? So guys, thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. Stay blessed out there and be safe. Bye. Mwah.